All right, hi everybody, Miss Andrea here, hi. And today we're going to talk about make Rice Krispie treats with Ms. Andrea. Why are we going to talk about that? This week we're talking about Southwest Michigan. Here's our map. The arrow is pointing to Southwest. And there's a city named Battle Creek in our state of Michigan. And it says here, Battle Creek, Michigan has a history with the Kellogg's Company. At one time, the city had the Cereal City USA attraction open to visitors. Cereal City USA closed to public in 2007. And here's a picture of the Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal. So Kellogg's Rice Krispies ingredients. You got this from the Rice Krispies website. 3 tablespoons butter, 1 package 10-ounce Jet Puff marshmallows, or 4 cups Jet Puff miniature marshmallows, 6 cups Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal. And the directions. Number 1, in a large saucepan, melt butter over low heat. Add marshmallows and stir until completely melted. Remove from heat. Number 2, add Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal. Stir until well coated. Number 3, using buttered spatula or wax paper, evenly press mixture into 13 by 9 by 2-inch pan coated with cooking spray. Cool. Cut into 2-inch squares. Best if served the same day. There are also microwave directions listed on the bottom of this slide. Before I make it, I need to know, we have our core word make right here from the core board. 3 tablespoons of butter. Let's count to 3 to measure the butter. Got my pointer. 1, 2, 3. We need to count to 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, before I make it, I need to know which one is the measuring cup. Let's find the measuring cup. We have a picture here and a picture here. Which one is the measuring cup? Say, this one is the measuring cup. Before I make it, I need to know 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Which one has 4 measuring cups? So this square has 1, 2, 3, 4. This square has 1, 2, 3. Which one has 4 measuring cups? This one has 4 measuring cups. And last, before I make it, I need to know 6 cups Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal. Let's find the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to stop because we found the number 6. If we kept going, we would go next to 7, but we wanted to stop and find the number 6. All right, everybody, now we are ready to make our Rice Krispie treats. All right, like I said, we're ready to make our Rice Krispie treats now. And you can choose to follow along and help with core or help with counting, or maybe you have the ingredients and you want to follow along and make it, or if you want to practice your stirring or pouring, you could get some of the measuring things and some of the kitchen utensils and you can practice and follow along. So those are some ideas on how you might want to follow along with me while I make some Rice Krispie treats. And maybe this is something that somebody in your house enjoys that you could share with if you decided to make them. So let's go ahead and get started. So our first direction was to melt the 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan. So I have the butter here, and I'm going to count the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Have it here. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to put the butter in the pan. Put the butter in the pan. And I did it. And now it's time to go over and melt the butter. All right, next we need to measure our marshmallows. And we can say it, put in the marshmallows. When we make something, we put in lots of things. And we said we needed to count to 4. That was how many? So I have my measuring cup here. Okay. Now it's time to put in the first one. And I have a bowl down here. And I put in the first one. That's 1. 2. Next. 3. Almost done. 1 more. Put in the last one, and marshmallows are finished being measured and are ready to add to the melted butter. All right, I have the melted butter here. And again, it's time to put something in. And this time it's those marshmallows that we measured. And now it's time to let those melt. All right, and while our marshmallows and butter are melting together, we can measure out our 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Have the 1 cup measure. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Do we stop? No, we don't stop. We need some more. We need to count to 6. We're at 3. After 3 comes 4. This is 4. Next is 5. And next is 6. And now we stop because we counted to 6, and that's how many cups of Rice Krispies our recipe called for. Here is our marshmallows and butter melting together. The marshmallows and butter are all melted. And the next step of the recipe is to put in the Rice Krispie cereal that we measured already and stir until well coated. Take my spoon, hold it, stir until well coated. The Rice Krispies are well coated, and now it's time to put them in the pan. Pan has some cooking oil on it to help keep it from sticking. Okay, it's all in the pan, and now it's time to pat them down. This is some wax paper. I'm just gonna pat it down, get it to fill up the pan here. All right, they are all pressed down. And there is a pan of Rice Krispie treats. I was very excited to make these today. I like all the smells, the marshmallow sweetness, and the Rice Krispies. And I like the stickiness when you're mixing everything together. It's a lot of fun. So I like making Rice Krispies for some of those reasons. So thank you guys. Bye.